flying off as well. I was coming there. Whoa. Coming in like shit. Dog there. I landed there, slammed my brakes on. I was sliding into the dog like that. Like, and it just stopped thing before the dog. Just stopped. I don't joke. It's just deep nice. Very nice. Look at no size to that new car. No size to that new car. This comes up right to that shit. I did it over here. Go jump that.
Oh, you waste, man! Oh, frick! Oh, he's a dickhead. What'd she say?
It's alright.
The guy looking evil though. It looks racist.
I just thought, bro.
Slow it down. Watch him slow it down.
Oi, you really bad shot. Did you get a record?
I don't know.
Oh!
Look, I've seen it first. It was a joke.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, some of this guy doing this for you, yeah. And I fucking flew up like that. I think my feet back on.
And then you scream.
How high did I get?
Yeah, high. You're high on the fucking bike when you keep standing.
How high did I get?
Yeah, high still.
Go on then. Let's see it. Go on. You're a dickhead. You just spin that dirt all over me. It looked high. You look mad though. I don't know if I got it on this though. What the fuck was you doing when you went out? You
I couldn't
jump.
get my feet back on again. I landed on my feet like,
Shit, look at Ashley getting mummy.
show me that video.